Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I am going to share with you guys 5 fun and engaging games to practice addition with your littles. Once you teach a concept, it's important that you give them lots and lots of practice to master that skill. You cannot just assume, like, if you have taught the concept, you cannot assume that they will just, now they know the concept and they can do it and they will just master on their own. You have to give them lots and lots of practice. And for any math skill, there is no better way than games to practice the concept, the skill that you're teaching. Kids get bored very easily, and if you are giving them the same game or the activity to practice again and again, they will eventually lose interest. So it's important that you change it up for them and give them a rotation, but have a few games on hand to practice the skill. So let's start sharing the activities, the games that I've planned out for addition. The first activity, they are very simple to play, very simple to prep. The first game is roll, add and cover. All you need is, you can make a paper like this and you can write any numbers. If you're doing practicing within 5, just write within 5. If you're practicing within 10, you can put the numbers accordingly. It's very simple to play. All you need is 2 dice, roll and add. 2 plus 1 is 3. So they get to cover 3. You can also have them color it, but if you want to reuse it, I would suggest covering the answers. So they will go on playing, rolling, adding and covering until they fill up the board. 4 plus 2 is 4 in your mind.
4, 5, 6.
Good job. Roll again. 6.
7, 8, 9.
Good job. Okay, so the next game is, this is a very fun game. Kids can go on and on playing this. Roll, add and race. So you will need a color pencil. There are 4 players and they are racing to addition. The first one to reach the goal is the winner. So we have a red player, blue, yellow and green. All we need to do is that roll the dice, add 6 plus 4 is 10. So the child will color. It was the red person's turn. So they will color 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, almost there. And then the blue player will have the turn 5 plus 3, and they are going to repeat until all of them, there is a first, second, third position. Roll for the yellow one.
Yes, roll. The yellow one. 5, 1, 2.
5 plus 2 is?
It's 1, 2,
5.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes.
Yellow
Come.
7.
3.
1, 2, 5, 6, 7.
Alright. So this is again a very simple game. All you need is cards. I have Ono cards here and we are going to stack them in 2 sets and flip 2 cards. Oh, I have not put the right cards. Okay, these are the wild cards. Okay, let me see. Yes. So you have 2 stacks of cards. The child will flip 1 from each stack and add. They have 0 and 5. So they will write here 0 plus 5. It's 5. So they are going to fill up the sheet doing these. Flipping, adding, flipping, adding. So this is another fun way to practice addition with your littles.
I got 4 and 4.
Oh, 4 and 4.
So I will
4 plus 4 is
8.
8. Good job.
Do you like my 8?
Yes, it's lovely. Good job. Again. 8
and 2.
2.
8, 9, 10. 8,
Hmm.
9, 10.
Good job. 4. 8 plus 2.
8 plus 2, 10.
10. Good job. Yes, it's lovely. 7 and 0.
0.
7 plus 0 is
7 plus 0 is 7.
7. Good job. Alright. The next game is again a very fun one, package delivery. So they have to make the orders. And how we are going to play is that I've put house numbers. They are also working on number recognition. They are reviewing their number recognition. You can put 10 to 20 or any numbers that you're working on. And you are going to call out, I want you to pack the orders for house number 11. So they will look for the house number 11. There it is. So they want 3 red packages and 4 green packages. I am going to use these math link cubes. You can use anything that you have just color coded. It's to house number 10. Yellow and orange. So they need 4 yellow packages and 0 orange packages. So they will collect the orders from their box and pack them up and hand it to the house, and here they will write the answer. How many packages did they deliver in total? So they are practicing their addition, they are sorting, and also reviewing their number recognition. Super fun one to try with your kids. They will have lots of fun doing it. I want you to pack the orders for house number 5. Where is house number 5?
Right there.
So what do they want?
1 green dog, light 1.
And
3 orange. 3 orange. 3 orange. 2 more. Got 3 oranges.
okay, come on, deliver. Give it.
Delivery.
Good job. Make it stand like this. Okay.
Yes.
How many they have? 4. Good job. Now I want you to pack the orders for house number 10.
House number 10. There.
What do they want?
4 yellow.
And
0 orange.
so how many do they have in
That
total?
means no. 4.
So
That means no orange.
yes. What will you do now?
There. 4. And house number 10.
Good job. This is a little bit, I would say, for 5-year-olds or 4.5-year-olds because they have to work on 2 steps. Solve and answer. So I have all these cards here that I made from 1 to 20. The child will pick a card like number 70 and solve the problem. 3 plus 4, 7. So they will write the answer on number 17. And then I have all kinds of manipulatives added in these cards. These are simple. This is just simple addition within 10, more than 10. So I would suggest doing it for 5-year-olds. They have a good grip on their addition, and then this would be super fun for them to do. I'll just show you all the cards. So if you want to make them, you can make them. 13, 1, 6, 5, 10, and 3. So they are working on two skills, practicing addition and problem solving. They have to write the answer on the right number. So these are all the fun activities that you can try with your kids. I hope this video was useful for you guys, and I hope that you will try these activities with your kids. Inshallah, until next time, Allah Hafiz.